Okay, this is on the wireless doorbell from Teck, wall plug-in cordless door chime, 500-foot range, 52 chimes. This is what it looks like, and it sells for $11.99 on Amazon. Let's go over here now. It's got a really small plug-in part. There's a button on the left. It'll scroll through all 52 chimes, and one at a time, and that little circle part lights up, and then there's a volume button on the side too, which will cycle through 3 volumes. 1 is quiet, 2 is medium, and 3 is kind of loud. Alright, let's keep moving on. Then of course here's what the doorbell part looks like. It comes with foam tape that wasn't good enough, so I used the foam tape and some Gorilla tape, and because it kept falling off the wall, I didn't know if the condo would want me drilling holes in the steel to put this thing up on the side. But it's pretty loud. It lights. It lights up, and about, I guess that's all there is to say about it. So that's what it looks like, and as you can see, once again, it is tiny and leaves enough room above it for you to still plug in your vacuum or whatever you want. In mine, no matter how many times I straighten it, seems to keep going back to crooked. And it is a 1 receiver, 1 button unit for $11.99 on Amazon. Thanks a lot.